Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI HBsAg CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics and we can see the product name MAGLUMI HBsAg CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Here we can see the content of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 3 ml calibrator low, 3 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABI label, 25 ml dilute, 1 ml negative control, 1 ml positive control 1, 1 ml positive control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this product 130210009M. Here we can see the lot number and the expiry date of this product. In this kit contains one instruction manual. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain this product of this temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this test kit. This is IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is the overall front view of this product. Here we can see the other angles of this product. This is the top angle. On the other side we can see the Snibe Diagnostics brand name. On the back side, here we can see the Snibe Diagnostics brand name. On the other side, here we can see the product name MAGLUMI HBsAg and reference number 130210009M. Then lot number, then the expiry date of this product. This is the overall presentation of this product. And I am going to unpack this for your reference. The first product of this kit, here you can see instruction manual. In this instruction manual we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics and reference number of this product 130210009M for 100 test kit. Here you can see the product name MAGLUMI HBsAg CLIA, and this is the intent use, summary, tense principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, then specimen collection, preparation for conditions, preparation for analysis, lot of stuff in this instruction manual. I will keep this aside. Now the second one is a reagent seal. Here we can see the MAGLUMI reagent seal HBsAg. Now the third one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. Yeah, we keep this aside. Now the fourth one is control stickers. Here we can see there is a total 12 stickers, but here we can see HBsAg negative control, total 4 nurses, then positive control 4 nurses, then negative control 4 nurses, total of 12 stickers. Yeah, we keep this aside. Now the next product is the control solutions, positive control 1, positive control 2 and a negative control. This is a packet in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, after unpacking, here we can see clearly this is HBsAg positive control 1 ml of volume. This is HBsAg positive control 2 1 ml volume, and this is HBsAg negative control 1 ml volume. Yeah, we keep this aside. The next one is MAGLUMI HBsAg CLIA Here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 3 ml calibrator low, 3 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABI label, 25 ml dilute. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is a IVD product. We should do 100 tests using this kit. I keep this aside. Here we go for summary. Today we can see Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI HBsAg CLIA kit. In this kit we can see contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 3 ml calibrator low, 3 ml calibrator high, 22.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABI label, 25 ml dilute, 1 ml negative control, 1 ml positive control, 1 ml positive control 2. This kit contains one instruction manual, MAGLUMI reagent seal stickers and control stickers, and a QC certificate, a positive control 1 and 2, and then negative control and reagent kit. Thank you.